Wow! Adobo. Wow! Medyo lang. Ayun, shell ni Kenzo. Hot. Ah, gusto ni Krisa. Dumplings. Ay, mais. Gusto ni Kenzo yun, miso. Meron na yung laman. Uy, ito daddy, crayfish. Ang bango. Hi! Oh, nice. Uy, yung shrimp. Oh. Ako na maghawak kay Krisa, daddy.
Uri yan yung ulan. Hindi, mix kasi nga ano.
Susubuhan niya daw.
Ah, ito ba? Gusto mo ito pa? Gamay, gusto mo?
Itim daw. Ay, itim daw, sabi ni kuya. Daw. Masubuhan na. Ayun na.
Wala.
Ayun sinusubo.
Ito na ako siya.
Aray ko.
Ate. Pizza.
Ayaw na niya. Daming laman ng bibig.
Pizza.
Ayaw niya na, ayaw.
Ah.
Ayaw na, subo mo na muna. Smile, kuya.
The Cloud Forest. This cool, moist conservatory is 65 meters tall and home to one of Singapore's tallest indoor waterfalls. Look through its glass shell and you will notice elevated walkways winding round the man-made mountain inside. They are covered in mist every 2 hours, replicating the cool, moist climate of tropical high elevation areas such as Mount Kinabalu. This controlled climate is perfect for growing unique plants on the man-made mountain.
Yes.
Approaching on your right is the Sun Pavilion. It houses a rich collection of cacti, the most recognizable plant family in the desert. Up ahead is the Far East Organization Children's Garden, covering 1 hectare of undulating terrain. The nature-themed play area features a toddler's play zone, rainforest tree houses, and a water play experience. The Children's Garden is designed to inspire children of all ages. Look into the conservatories and you will see no pillars inside, as these cast shadows which limit plant growth. Instead, a grid shell is anchored by rows of external arches in the flower dome are remarkable specimens of nature, like the giant baobabs, also called overturned trees. The Mediterranean olive trees have survived a remarkably long passage of time. They are estimated to be about 1,000 years old.
Pinakita ko na. You know, my Ferris wheel.
Based
Wow! Ano order? Banana? Banana? Cheese?
What do you want?
Banana, cheese, and chicken,
Let's
please.
go here another room.
Order, please.
Let's go here.
Oh,
Let's go the other side.
Okay.
I need some veggies. Mama, Mama.
Okay.
Please.
Okay, thank you.
Mama, some water.
Wow, okay. Bulaga. Wow. Yan, go.
We going? Huh? Saan pet ko? Pet.
Okay na yan.
Come on.
Ayaw mo ba yan? Hindi ka makakasya yan.
Dito ako. Oh, yes. Mag-sit down lang dito. Pwede mag-sit down. Come here. Okay. Up. We're going up there. The big one. You see that block? I'm standing there. That's the block. Teka, I just end. Maybe this the same one. That's this two. We gonna go to. Yes. Rilang, dito ako sa taas. Hindi ako. Ibigyan, no. Yes. No. Gusto ko pa.
Ay, madilim na. Natulog na yung uwak.
Ha?
Natulog na yung uwak. Let's go.
No, gusto ko.
Ay, ako matatapos na yung memory niya. Smile. Smile. Oh, Morty. Saan yung airplane? Good job.
Mindanao to natin.
Yeah. Happy birthday
Clap
to thee. Happy birthday, Dad. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Daddy.
Yes.
Yay! Okay, hingi tayong lighter. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Oh, dance, sang. Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Blow the cake. Uy. Galing ah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you. Excited na mag-blow, oh. Wait.
Wait lang.
Ay, isa pang sing pa.
Happy birthday
Sing mo na, sang.
to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday, Daddy.
Oh, blue.
Hindi marunong mag-blow si Sang-Sang. Wish ni Daddy.
Yay!
Ay, ang galing. Nag-blow na. Kiss, Daddy. Kiss. Kiss. Yay! Kuya, kiss pa.
Bilisan na. Kami pa.
Yay! Mamaya na. Yay!
Mapisin mo na.
Ayun, si Kuya. Ayun, oh. Kuya. Ayun, oh. Hi. Ayun, oh, si Kuya, oh. Babay ka kay Kuya. Yay! Kuya, hello! Hello ka muna. Hi! Oh, slide na. Higa. 1. Ayun. Ayun na. Hi. Yan si Kuya. Kuya. Saan si Daddy mo? Nag-slide din? Dito ka muna. Saan si Daddy? Tagal. Dance ka daw. Oh, tama mo yung cellphone doon. Wala si Daddy. Ah, elevator siya. Hindi siya nag-slide. Hinanap ka niya. Akala niya sa elevator. Isa pa. Dito lang kayo, Kuya. Kuya, balik na si Ichang dito. Ken. Si Ichang. Si Ichang. Dali mo dito si Ichang. Bawal kayo dyan. Malaglagan kayo dyan. Wag. Masalang si Daddy. Ayun na, si Daddy. Daddy, daddy, daddy. Daddy, daddy.
Alas mo, doon tayo sa anak kay sa mas mababa.
Daddy.
Go, go, go.
Uy, wala. Ah. Ah. English pa kayo. Teka na saan? Sige lang. Hindi. Doon na kami upo. Ah. Kabila. Up. Kaya mo ka umakyat. Ano? Punta ka doon. Pasok.
May tao.
Ganon talaga. Lahat yun may tao. May sakay kasi passenger.
Yeah, just try to follow me.
Ayun na, punta na mamaya. Huwag mo kasing ituro para aalis siya doon. Kasi lalo siya hindi aalis kung ikaw nag-iiyak. Tangkad na ni Icha. Yay! Uh-oh, uh-oh. Kaya mo yan. Go, go, go. Baby. Chan, hi. Hi. Hi, mommy, hi. Hi. Oh, sus, oh, sus. Chan, let's go na, let's go. Huh? Let's go na, let's go. Let's go. Chan, let's go na, let's go. Chan. Chan, Chan. Let's go na, bye-bye. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye, let's go. Chan, let's go. Ichan. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go na. Ay. Let's go na. Bye-bye na, bye-bye. Bye. Let's go. Baby. Nasaan nag-slide si daddy mo?
Baby.
Next ba si daddy mo? Next ba siya? Chang-chang! Ito na, Sang.
Wala man dyan dito.
Nasa kabila pa.
Dito? Dito?
Hindi, dito daw. Dasan. Chang-chang. Chang-chang. Psst. Psst. Chang-chang. Wow. Ganda. Train. Ay, waterfalls. Bye-bye, falls. Oh.